Hi everyone. The main purpose of this lesson is to teach how to express time in Khmer. When asked what time of day it is, the word hai is usually added to the question. So you say Mao pon man hai to ask what time is it? This sentence literally means o'clock how many already? You will be happy to know that telling time in Khmer is quite simple. To state the time of the day, you just say the word Mao followed by whatever number is required. The word hai is also added to the answer to show that it is already that time. For example, Mao pon man hai, Mao bay hai, which means it's already 3 o'clock. The word hai, however, is dropped when asking a question regarding a time in the future. Let's see the examples below. Chong tơ mong pon man. Chong tơ mong buôn. So you do not say Chong tơ mong buôn hai, since it is the time in the future. From the earlier lesson, you have learned that pon man means how many. So when you want to ask how many hours or how long, you just add the word mao after pon man, which will make the phrase pon man mao. And it's always used at the end of the sentence. For example, Bongនៅផ្ទះប៉ុន្មានម៉ោង? Literally, you at home how many hours or how long? When expressing times which do not fall exactly on the hour, all you have to do is add the number of minutes after the time. For example, if you want to say 10:25, it will be ម៉ោង 10:25 នាទី.នាទី means minute. The only exception is the half hour, where the word កន្លះ is used. For instance, 8:30, you say ម៉ោង 8 កន្លះ. It's also important to note that you reverse the word order to show an amount of hours. 2 o'clock is ម៉ោង 2, but 2 hours would be 2 ម៉ោង. Now you are going to be introduced to a commonly used word when telling time in Khmer, which is pi or tang pi, meaning since or ever since. For example, គាត់នៅនេះតាំងពីម៉ោង 5 ព្រឹក. Literally, she is here since 5 a.m. Just a little note for you. Although the sentence is in present perfect form, there's no change to the main verb in the sentence because there's no verb conjugations in Khmer grammar. So simply you just say គាត់នៅទីនេះតាំងពីម៉ោង5ព្រឹក And as you can see, តាំងពី is put before the phrase ម៉ោង5ព្រឹក P is also frequently used in combination with អង្កល which means when. P អង្កល is used to indicate when in the past. For example, គាត់ទៅពីអង្កល So ពីអង្កល is put at the end of the sentence, and it is used to find out when in the past. Another example is គាត់មកនេះពីអង្កល When did she come here? However, if អង្កល is left by itself, this means when in the future. And both អង្កល and ពីអង្កល are placed at the end of the sentence. For example, គាត់ទៅអង្កល Many Cambodians use ពេល and នៅ ពេល to make the non-question equivalent of the word when, and they are put at the beginning of the sentence. For example, ពេលខ្ញុំនៅផ្ទះ ខ្ញុំអានសៀវភៅ So ពេល is when, ខ្ញុំ is I, and នៅ as you have learned earlier, means to be at. ផ្ទះ means home. ខ្ញុំអាន អាន means to read, and សៀវភៅ is book. So ពេលខ្ញុំនៅផ្ទះ ខ្ញុំអានសៀវភៅ And if you want to use the word នៅពេល you can say នៅពេលខ្ញុំនៅផ្ទះ ខ្ញុំអានសៀវភៅ